In this video, I'm going to walk you through the process of downloading, installing, and activating the Microsoft Office 2024 LTSC preview version for free. This version is ideal if you're eager to explore new features and functionality before the official launch. If you're not familiar with LTSC, it stands for Long-Term Servicing Channel. It's specifically designed for organizations that require a one-time license for perpetual use, unlike the Microsoft 365 subscription model. Let's dive in. The first thing you will need is the Office Deployment Tool ODT, which is available for download directly from Microsoft's official site. I will leave the download link in the description below. Once you have downloaded the ODT executable file, go ahead and create a folder on your desktop. Let's name it Office 2024. Paste the ODT executable file into this folder. Now, you need to run the executable file as an administrator. Once you do that, you'll need to accept the Microsoft license terms and then click Continue. It will prompt you to choose a folder to extract the ODT files. Select the Office 2024 folder we just created. The next step is to configure the setup for the installation. We need a special configuration.xml file. This file tells the ODT exactly which version of Office you want to install. Don't worry, I will include this configuration file in the description below. Simply download it. After that, copy and paste the file into the Office 2024 folder. Once you've done that, now you need to open command prompt here. For that, go to the Windows search bar, type CMD and run it as an administrator. Once it's done, now go to the Office 2024 folder address bar, copy the path and then go back to CMD. After that, type cd space, paste the path address you just copied. Then hit enter. Now to start installation, type this command here, setup.exe space /configure space configuration.xml. Once you press enter, the installation will begin. This might take a few minutes, so be patient. After the installation finishes, you'll need to activate Office 2024. Open any Office app like Word or Excel and head to the account section. Here, you'll see an option to change product key. I will provide the product key in the description below. Just copy and paste it into the field. Once the key is entered, close the app and reopen it. When you do, you may see a pop-up appear. Select Activate over the internet. If you don't see any pop-up just like me, that's totally okay. Go to your account section. There you will see that Office 2024 LTSC preview version is fully activated. Just a quick reminder, preview versions of Microsoft Office are time-limited and intended for evaluation purposes only. Once the final release of Office 2024 is available, you'll need to purchase a full license to continue using it. Microsoft hasn't announced a specific release date yet, so for now, you can continue using the preview version for free. And there you have it. You've successfully installed and activated Microsoft Office 2024 LTSC preview. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tech guides. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.